Blackheads are caused by the clogging of the pores. Blackheads appear like black spots in the skin from the surface. If the oil enters the air, it oxidizes and becomes tar, that's why they're called blackheads. It's possible to hold blackheads at bay with the help of a decent homemade mask, consistency and some natural ingredients. When dirt, sebum and oil are caught in the pores, it causes blackheads. Improper grooming and the circulation of bacteria are some of the reasons for the presence of blackheads. Follow these easy tips to naturally clean pores and eliminate blackheads by using readily available ingredients at home. 1. Establish a cleaning routine. It is necessary for a person to create a cleaning routine that is specific to their skin type. A person with naturally oily skin would have to buy skincare items that function with oily skin. In addition, anyone with dry skin wants to make careful to moisturize as well. The skin will overcompensate to generate much more oil without adequate moisturization. And more oil is generally going to contribute to more blackheads. Staying consistent with a facial regimen is also necessary. Use good quality cleaners, moisturizers, toners, and skin masks that are of high quality. Instead of fingers, one should also suggest using a facial brush to wash the forehead. 2. Wash sheets and towels frequently. When sleeping, a human can spend about 6 to 8 hours on one surface. There is ample time to wreak havoc with germs and bacteria. This is one of the reasons why sleeping with makeup on is not a smart idea and why it is best to establish hygienic habits when it comes to planning for bed and washing linens. Change bed linens at least once a week and aim to use a detergent that is free of harsh additives for natural washing. Washcloths or facial brushes used to wash the face and body can also be washed. 3. Avoid the face touch. For several individuals, touching the face entails a familiar temptation. With several textures and germs, the hands come into contact and a lot of bacteria and pollutants will get trapped under the nails. They would only begin to irritate the skin if a person uses their fingernails to squeeze out a blackhead. It scars and causes more skin conditions as the skin gets more irritated. Try to stop resting the face on the palms since there is another possibility for festering germs and soil as well. 4. Watch the use of mobile phones. This may sound odd to certain persons, but one of the blackheads culprits may simply be a mobile phone. The germs from the cell phone will reveal blackheads on the face as one presses their face to the screen and chats for hours. Plus, a phone usually sticks out in a work bag or purse at the bottom. It lands on the floor and all sorts of objects come into contact with it. Try using earbuds or headphones to speak on the phone in order to fix this problem. Using the speaker to chat on the phone to cover the skin for those who don't have either. 5. Face exfoliate. An significant process to include in the cleansing regimen is exfoliation. It's easy for dead skin cells to pile up as blood, sebum and soil accumulate inside and on top of the skin's surface. Dead skin cells aren't visible to the naked eye in most situations. Start by steaming the skin to loosen up the pores to prevent this buildup. Using an exfoliating soap on the skin once the pores are open. Using the hands instead of a brush, it is wise to massage the scrub onto the skin and exfoliating scrubs are already coarse enough. 6. Drink the water. Keep it hydrated in order to preserve healthy skin. The main organ of the body is the skin. However, the skin is the last organ to obtain the advantages when a human drinks water. This is why it is important to drink plenty of water daily, as water flushes pollutants out of the body and keeps the skin healthy. 7. Consume healthy foods. Although it is important to consume nutritious fruits and vegetables for optimal health, for optimum skin health, there are a few unique food items to put on the menu. They remove collagen in the skin naturally as a person ages. Boost the production of collagen by eating foods high in vitamin C, such as strawberries, cabbage, and broccoli. Whole grains, sunflower seeds and almonds are perfect sources of skin elasticity. It is therefore best to eat foods such as sardines, tuna and mackerel that are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds, walnuts and flax seeds can have the same nutrients for those that do not consume fish. 8. Use topical treatments. The removal of blackhead can sound like a huge job for anyone with very oily skin. The influence of topical therapies, though, is important to remember. There are mild topical remedies such as essential oils and lactic acid that use natural ingredients. In their chemical peels, microdermabrasion procedures and more, even high-end spas use natural acids such as citric acid. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.